This is considered the long box position. I'm going to enter the exercise from the foot bar right here. And so I climb up onto the foot bar with the balls of my feet. So shorter gals might want to have their feet on the platform. Taller gals are definitely going to have their feet on the foot bar. And I lower myself down so that my pelvis, my pubic bone, it's like I'm sitting on a shelf. I'm not on my thighs or my legs. I'm literally sitting on my pubic bone. It doesn't feel comfortable, but you're only up here for just a little bit. My C-section scar is up here. It's not touching the box at all, just for reference, because I'm going to see a lot of people who are going to come down here like this and wonder why they can't lift up. It's because they're on their stomach. You want to be kind of balancing right on that pubic bone right there. All right, so now from here, I start with the carriage as closed as possible. I'm going to inhale, lengthen my legs long, reaching my fingertips towards the windows. Connect under the shoulders. Now as I lift, I bend at my knees to help lift up. I open all the way out. Notice the carriage isn't moving very much. I'm going to inhale, lengthen back to that swan dive, and then I'm going to exhale, relax, drape all the way down and back in. And again, now I inhale, lengthen long, connect under those shoulders, tighten the abdominal muscles as I come up. Inhale, lengthen long, abdominals tighten, and then I'm going to exhale, slowly lower down and drape over the box. Now this is what I see that's done incorrectly a bunch. They lengthen long, they lift up, and then people bend their knees to open and close the carriage, like that. So that's not what it is. We only bend the knees to help lift the spine up. So from my kneecap to the tips of my toes, I'm trying to create a plank right there in my body, a nice long spine. So I'm going to do it again. So I'm going to inhale, lengthen out the tips of my fingers, connect under my shoulders. I come up and I exhale, open. Inhale, lengthen long, abdominals tighten. Then I exhale, slowly lower down, drape over the box, come back in. And one more, lengthening it long. Exhale, lift up and open, drawing those shoulder blades down. Inhale, tighten those abdominal muscles as I slowly come back down. And then I just kind of pop off the box here.
Right here. So she's connected here. You're going to slightly bend at the knees to hinge the body up. Good. This is your exhale.